Most people misunderstand cash advance apps, and that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because they are not free money, and they are not long-term loans either. They are short-term financial tools, and if you don't understand how they work, you can end up confused or even stuck in a repayment cycle. In this video, we are breaking down exactly how the Branch Cash Advance system works in 2026, step by step, in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the basic idea. Branch gives eligible users access to a small cash advance based on their income patterns, banking activity, and repayment behavior. It is designed to help you cover short-term expenses before your next paycheck. Now here's what most people get wrong. They think approval is random. But it is not. Your eligibility is based on financial behavior. If your income is stable and your account activity is consistent, your chances of getting a cash advance are higher. Now here's where it gets interesting. The amount you can get is not fixed for everyone. For example, Alex might qualify for $50 in his first cycle, while Jake might get $150 based on stronger income consistency. The system adjusts over time based on usage and repayment history. Let's break down how it actually works step by step. First, you download the app and connect your bank account. This allows Branch to analyze your income deposits and spending patterns. This step is required because the app needs to understand your financial behavior. Second, if you are eligible, you will see a cash advance offer inside the app. This is not always guaranteed every time you open it. But here's the problem many users face. They expect instant approval, without building any financial history, inside the app. If your account is new or inactive, you might not see any offers at all. Now, once you accept an advance, the money is deposited into your bank account, often quickly. In many cases, users receive funds within a short time window depending on bank processing speed. Now let's talk about repayment. Repayment is usually automatic and linked to your next expected paycheck. This is where discipline matters. If you don't manage your balance properly, you could face overdraft issues or repeated borrowing cycles. In a minute, I'll explain how to increase your chances of getting higher cash advance amounts over time. Now let's talk about fees. Branch may charge service fees depending on your region and repayment option. Some users see low fees, while others may have slightly higher costs depending on risk level and speed of funding. Here's how smart users use it. Jake only uses Branch for real emergencies like car repairs or unexpected bills. He does not rely on it for daily spending. This helps him avoid dependency and keeps his finances stable. So, how does Branch decide everything? It uses banking data, income consistency, and repayment behavior to adjust offers over time. The more responsible you are, the better your future offers can become. Let's summarize the key points. Branch Cash Advance is based on income behavior, not random approval. Funds are small, short-term, and meant for emergencies. Repayment is automatic and tied to your paycheck schedule. If used correctly, it can be a helpful financial backup. If misused, it can create dependency. If this breakdown helped you understand how Branch Cash Advance really works in 2026, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance guides.